Hello, this is a video of the G.I. Joe belt buckle I am selling on eBay. I believe this is a kids version belt buckle. It's kind of small. Okay, it does have all the teeth, and the teeth are damaged. There's the end here. All the bend, rivet points, or whatever you want to call them, are bent. This does move very easily, like it's supposed to. Okay, there's the G.I. Joe. Alright. I don't know if it's scratched up like this or if that's how it came. That's how I got it. So, there's that. Okay, and it just locked in place once you put the belt in there. But I believe this is the kid size. I don't think this is an adult size belt buckle. But there you go. Thank you.